all of you. My name is Akshit Singh from class 3rd grade. Today I am your storyteller. My story name is The Beautiful Bird and the Honeybee. Once upon a time there was a beautiful bird, but this bird was proudy. She was proudy for her looks. La 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 la. I am the most beautiful bird in this world with my colorful feathers. No one is like me in this world, so I am the most beautiful bird. One day the bird was sitting near the beautiful flowers. Then there came a beautiful honeybee. The honeybee was going one flower to another to collect nectar. Now the bird was looking at the honeybee and saying that, "What a foolish honeybee! She is not noticing me. I am so beautiful. She is ignoring me." Now the honeybee was very busy to collect nectar from one flower to another. The bird came near the honeybee and asked, "Hey honeybee, can't you notice me and praise my looks?" The honeybee politely said, "Oh, beautiful bird, I am so sorry I didn't notice you because I was very busy to collect nectar from one flower to another." The beautiful bird said, "It's okay, but you should see me and praise my looks." The honeybee again politely said, oh dear bird, I have to collect nectar from all flowers and quickly go back to my beehive. Without me, my beehive would be in hunger. So I had to do hard work and collect nectar from all flowers as soon as possible." Now the bird realized and think, this honeybee is very hardworking and helpful also. Oh, even I was just sitting here and making proud on myself on my looks. Oh, this little honeybee taught me a lesson. From today, I will do hard work and collect food for myself and others needy birds. Then the bird flew away. The moral of the story is hard work and kindness is more important than looks. Thank you and have a fabulous day ahead.